Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy, where we decode complex ISO standards into simple practical knowledge. In today's video, we are discussing the Lead Auditor Training Program on ISO 17021, the standard that ensures the credibility and competence of certification bodies. What is ISO 17021? ISO IEC 17021 is the international standard that sets requirements for bodies providing audit and certification of management systems, such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and others. It ensures that these certification bodies are impartial, technically competent, and follow a consistent and transparent certification process. Why Lead Auditor Training on ISO 17021? This training is not for auditing regular organizations. It is for professionals who audit the certifying bodies themselves, also known as conformity assessment bodies. This includes accreditation audits, witness audits, office assessments, compliance with international certification protocols. By completing this training, you can work with accreditation bodies or consult with certification bodies for internal improvements. What will you learn in this training? The structure and clauses of ISO IEC 17021-1. Requirements for personnel competence, impartiality, and confidentiality. Certification process control including application review, audit planning and decision making, non-conformity handling and continual improvement in certification bodies. How to lead audits of these bodies as per ISO 17021 requirements. Who should attempt? This training is recommended for certification body auditors and managers, accreditation assessors, quality assurance professionals in certifying agencies, ISO consultants and technical experts, professionals looking to work with accreditation bodies. What are the benefits? You will be able to audit certification bodies under ISO 17021 framework. You can participate in accreditation audits as a lead auditor or technical expert. You gain deep understanding of the certification ecosystem. You will be better prepared to consult, evaluate, or improve certification processes. If you are passionate about audit quality, impartiality, and international certification standards, this training will take your career to the next level. Got questions? Want help finding a credible training provider or preparing for the exam? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNB Academy for more in-depth content on ISO standards and career-boosting training programs. Thank you for watching, and remember, it is not just about being certified. It is about certifying the certifiers with competence and integrity. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next session of TNB Academy.